Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to build the North Tower antenna in Minecraft. So what you'll need is some quartz pillars, the clay block, the white stained glass pane, the black stained glass pane, the iron block, the block of quartz, the black concrete, the quartz slab, cobblestone wall, light gray carpet, the string, and the end rod. Start off by building the 9 by 9 clay base with the quartz pillars in the corners. Next, placing the 7 by 7 and with the clay block, 7 by 7 by 2 clay block. Next with the pillar quartz in the corners. Then you're gonna place the 5 by 5 by 2 clay center with the quartz pillars in the corners. Then you're gonna place the quartz slabs on the top. Then you're gonna place the quartz pillar. It's 12 blocks tall on all 4 corners, and then the clay block in the center. Then go at 3 blocks and place it in 2 white stained glass panes. Then go up 1 and then two white stained glass panes. Up 1, 2 white stained glass panes, and then the one in the last part, and then the quartz slab at the top. Then you're gonna place the block of quartz 11 blocks tall. Then you're gonna go up 8 blocks with black concrete with the black stained glass panes around it. Then you're gonna place 5 blocks tall block of quartz. Then you're gonna place the cobblestone wall at the top, and then the end rods on top of the cobblestone wall. And the last part you're gonna do is place the string around the base to keep the light gray carpet floating, and then plate. Here's the light gray carpet with some iron blocks around it. That's it. So hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.